Making an informed decision about a purchase is important, and one good way to do this is by creating pros and cons on a list. This method helps you weigh the good and bad points about buying something. So first, you want to write down the item that you want to buy at the top of a piece of paper. Then create two columns, one for pros, the good things, one for bad, the cons, the bad things. Now, once you have this list, in the pros column, list reasons why you should buy the item. For example, if you want a new bike, you might write that if you will have the bike, it'll help you exercise, fun to ride, maybe you can take it to work, maybe you can save money on transportation, all right? In the cons column, write down the reasons against the purchase. For the bike, you might list that it costs a lot of money or that you might not ride it as often as you think, you know? After you finish your list, look at both sides. If the pros outweigh the cons, it might be a good idea to make the purchase. But if the cons are more important, you might decide to wait or not buy it at all. This way, you make smarter choices with your money. All right? Jesus is Lord. See you later.